On a lot of long reports, you're going to want to put a table of contents. Now this isn't a long report, but I'll show you how to do it. So after the cover page, you would want to insert a blank page. And on this blank page is where you would want to do your table of contents. So to do that, you're going to go to the References tab. You're going to go to the Table of Contents group, and you're going to choose Table of Contents. You'll notice that they have an automatic Table 1 format, automatic Table 2, or manual. And then you can see some more options down here for customizing the Table of Contents. I'm going to click one of these options, and it will automatically insert any heading that I have and then the page that you can find that heading. Anytime you make an edit to your page, so for instance, let's say I went in here after paragraph 2 and I added another heading. I would select that, make sure it's formatted as a heading, then you could go back to your table of contents and update it. And you would choose page numbers or entire table. Since I added a new heading, I would do entire table, and you'll notice that my new heading has now appeared with its page number.